How to make decision in life, Irfan? Go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak about this wonderful topic, which is decision making. Decision making is not a sentence, it is not a word, it's a complete skill. And the fact is that the decision making nobody can teach you in this entire world. There is only one thing, that is time, who can teach you how to make right decisions on right time. I remember the year 2023 when I passed my 12th board examination. At that point of time, I had a friend, Muhammad Rafiq, and he took a decision. He has chosen medical stream for further studies, and I didn't choose medical science. But the fact is that after 2 years, he failed in all the subjects. I would say it was a single decision, and ultimately he left studying. A single decision destroyed his entire life. It is said that लम्हों ने खता की थी सदियों ने सजा पाई. So whenever we have to be very serious about it, whenever we have to take decisions, we have to keep in our mind two things. Keep in your mind. If you are emotional, sometimes don't make any kind of decision. And the second thing is that if you are angry, so don't make any kind of decision. So these are the two situations human beings have a weakness. They can't make right decisions on these two conditions and emotional. And the last thing I would say about the decision making is something which makes you unique in the society. And decision making has a power. It can change your entire life, but it can destroy your entire life. So before taking any kind of decision, you have to get information about that decision. You have to be very patient about it. You have to talk with your elders. After then, you can take a right decision. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Big round of applause for Irfan, ladies and gentlemen. What a definition and it's absolutely marvelous, I would say.